Moto G64 5G versus Redmi Note 13 5G. Now for display type, screen size, screen to body ratio, display resolution, display density, refresh rate, display protection. Now for performance, operating system, OS and security updates, chipset, processor, graphic processing unit. Now for storage, RAM memory, internal memory, memory card slot. Now for camera, Poco F5 5G, Redmi Note 13 5G, back camera makes video recording, selfie camera. Now for battery capacity, fast charging, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging. Now for connectivity, network, fingerprint sensor, Bluetooth, USB port support, NFC. Now for design and build, dust and water resistant, stereo speakers, headphone jack, weight, back protection. Now for price, now for results. Thanks for watching this video.